a brief tutorial on WikiJAPER, including how to create a WikiJAPER article page for your organization. To reach the WikiJAPER, go to the JAPER home page. On the top toolbar, you'll find WikiJAPER. Click on the link. It'll bring you to the main page of the WikiJAPER. Now there's a lot of useful information about the WikiJAPER on the main page. The WikiJAPER functions much like other wikis, including Wikipedia, in that it acts as a depository for information. It's completely community supported, so we rely on other organizations and individuals who would like to help provide information and knowledge to other people in the community. That means we want you to edit articles and add them, so we create a robust knowledge library. Okay, so some of the things that you can find on the main page is information about what JAPER is. In addition to categories for each of the 5 identified components of the collaboration, including education, access to justice, environment, employment, and health. There's also information about the WikiJAPER, including some exemplary pages, categories, where you can find all the press releases in this category, all the events in here, a list of all the organizations here, etc. In addition to step-by-step text and image instructions on how to create your organization's WikiJAPER page and how to update existing WikiJAPER pages. So let's look at a category, organizations. If you click on that, it brings up a new page with organizations. As you can see, there aren't too many here yet, so we're working on filling that up with all of our member organizations. That includes you adding your own organization to this category. So I will show you how to do this. The first thing you need to do is search for your organization. I'm going to search for a sample organization. Let's call it JAPER Sample Organization. And then press go. It says there are no results matching the query. Do you want to create a page on this wiki? So since we want to create the page, we click on JAPER Sample Organization. It brings us to this screen, which is the editing screen of the articles. Okay, so from here, I'm going to write some sample text in. Here you can add information about your organization. You might want to include the mission statement. You can also include information about the people in your organization. Okay, so here's the text that I wrote. I'm going to click Show Preview to see what it would look like if we published it. Okay, so it's okay. I want to add some headings to it. So above the text that says you might want to include the mission statement, I'm going to add a heading that says Mission Statement. What you do is click on the top toolbar here, which looks really familiar if you've used other word editing and processing software. This big A, which says Level 2 Headline, creates a headline, which is bigger, bolder, has a line underneath, looks really nice. So let's click it. Brings up this with the headline text already highlighted. So all you need to do is start typing. So I'm going to write Mission Statement. Let's do this again. So here I'm going to add a headline called Our People. So I'm going to click Level 2 Headline and write Our People. Delete this extra space. Okay, you can play around with this, but there's other things you could do. So for example, let's make information bold by highlighting the word information and then clicking bold. Okay, so let's see what the preview looks like now. Now you can see information is bolded, and mission statement Our People has a category headline. Okay, so on the bottom, you want to write a summary of things we added. Added informational text. That sounds good. When you're ready to save, click Save Page. Now you can see the page is here. Now, there's one thing that's missing. So you want to go back and edit the page. Now you can do this with any page, not just your sample organization's page, but anything at all. So at the top, click Edit. I want to make sure that this page falls under the organization categories like we looked at before. Now, there's a little bit of techie jargon that you need to write down, but you only have to write it once. So it goes like this. At the end of the text, type 2 brackets and write category, organizations, and the end brackets. Okay, let's save this. Now you can see it has been categorized. So if we now click organizations, JAPER sample organization shows up with a list of all the other ones. Now, you can do this you can edit and add categories for almost any page. So, for example, if I wanted to edit this page, JAPER, all I would have to do is go at the top, press edit, and then I could edit inside here in the same way we did the editing of the sample organization page. Well, thank you for joining me on this brief tutorial.